If you've been waiting for a sign to reclaim your body's freedom, this is it. Keep reading because the next few seconds might unlock the pain-free movement you've been praying for. Picture this: waking up in the morning, placing your feet on the ground, and taking your first step without that familiar stiffness gripping your knees, your hips, or your lower back. Imagine turning your neck without tightness, stretching your arms without discomfort, and bending your body without feeling as if something might snap. For millions of people, joint pain has quietly become a daily prison. But what if one specific food could begin to lubricate your joints from the inside, naturally, powerfully, and continuously? This isn't hype. It's one of the most fascinating discoveries in nutritional science, a potent natural food capable of replenishing the fluid that keeps joints smooth, cushioned, and pain-free. And the world is only now beginning to understand its transformative potential. Most people think joint pain comes only from aging, genetics, or years of physical work. But the reality is much simpler. Your joints dry out. The protective substance that allows bones to glide, the synovial fluid, becomes thinner, weaker, and insufficient. When that happens, every movement becomes friction, and friction becomes pain. But the human body is extraordinary. Give it the right nourishment, and it can rebuild tissues, replenish fluid, regenerate cartilage, and restore mobility in ways that pharmaceutical solutions can't even come close to. And that's where this unique superfood enters the story. This food, though common in some cultures and nearly forgotten in others, contains a rare combination of bioactive compounds that directly stimulate synovial fluid production. Unlike temporary painkillers, this nutrient works on the deepest biological level, reinforcing the soft, cushion-like tissue between your bones, reducing inflammation, and helping your joints glide comfortably again. People often ask, can food really do that? Yes, when the food is biologically aligned with the natural structure of your joints. Inside this superfood are micromolecules structurally similar to the lubricants your body produces naturally. When you consume it, your body recognizes and uses these molecules almost instantly. The result: more fluidity, less friction, increased mobility, and for many people, a dramatic reduction in pain. The most incredible part is how fast the effects can show up. Reports from individuals who introduced this food into their daily routine describe noticeable improvements. In as little as a few weeks, they wake up with less stiffness. They move with greater ease. Their knees no longer crackle with every step. Their hands stop feeling tight. Their lower back gains flexibility it hasn't had in years. And it isn't magic. It has simply given your body the raw materials it needs. On top of this, the anti-inflammatory power of this superfood is nothing short of remarkable. Chronic inflammation is the silent destroyer of joints. It erodes cartilage, irritates tissues, and intensifies pain. But the natural compounds inside this nutrient work like tiny fire extinguishers, reducing the heat of inflammation from the inside out. The result is a double action effect. 1. More lubrication. 2. Less inflammation. This combination is what makes movement feel natural again. Imagine going for a walk without thinking about your knees. Imagine sitting on the floor and standing back up. Imagine stretching your arms above your head and feeling nothing. No pinch, no tightness, no ache. That's what improved joint lubrication can do. But that's not all. This superfood is a powerhouse for overall vitality. Because it reduces inflammation, many people notice improvements far beyond their joints. Better heart function, clearer skin, improved digestion, enhanced mental clarity. More physical energy. Inflammation affects everything. When you calm it down, the whole body thanks you. Another remarkable advantage is its versatility. You can blend it, cook it, add it to smoothies, use it in recipes, or consume it in small daily amounts. And regardless of how you take it, its effects build over time. Unlike synthetic medications that wear off, this nutrient compounds, meaning the longer you use it, the greater your improvements. And here's something even more surprising. Your body wants to heal. It knows how to rebuild. It simply needs the biological tools to do so. The modern diet has stripped away many of the nutrients responsible for joint maintenance. But once you reintroduce this specific superfood, the body shifts into repair mode. It begins replenishing what was lost, and movement becomes easier, smoother, lighter. So imagine yourself a few weeks from now. You wake up, stretch your legs, and realize something feels different. Your joints feel younger, more fluid, more alive. The pain that has been your constant companion for years begins to loosen its grip. Each day becomes just a little easier than the last. That's the power of feeding your body the right thing. This isn't just about joint relief, it's about giving you back your independence, your confidence, your mobility, your life. You deserve to move freely. You deserve to walk without hesitation. You deserve to bend, stretch, turn, lift, and live without pain limiting who you are and what you can do. And it all starts with one simple decision: adding the right nourishment to your daily routine. Your joints aren't doomed. Your mobility isn't gone. Your flexibility isn't lost forever. You're not too old, too late, or too damaged to experience relief. Your body is ready, desperately ready to regenerate. All it needs is the catalyst. Let this be the moment you choose to give your joints the life-changing support they've been waiting for.